Okay, let's make the electric furnace. You need an iron furnace, 2 redstone, and an electric circuit. Simple. Okay, now I'm just going to place the macerator there, and the electric furnace there. Okay, so now, if we power this, which I will eventually do, okay, what this does is it turns 1 ore into 2 dust, which then smelts into 2 bars. Okay. It's very slow until we get overclockers. I'm just going to let this cook for a while. Okay, now let's make some cable to hook up our machines. So, fiberglass cable. This carries a lot and loses literally like nothing. It is extremely expensive. Yeah, now let's make a back box which we can use to store energy. Now for that we need 3 RE batteries. Oh, I need some redstone. So get some redstone. Okay, we need it like this, okay, and then like that. That's 3 RE batteries. Now, to make the back box, you need it in this water. That makes the back box. And let's go hook this up. Okay, so let's hook it up. So let's put it in these spaces. Simply just right click. I'm trying to dig out the rest of the machines. There's going to be 3 more machines and extract out and press it and bring this cycle up. Okay, so let's do that. Do that. Do that. And then just put it there, and there. Now let's go hook it up fully. So, I'm going to put the back box. That's just going to be slightly dark. It's going to be here now, and it's going to have power coming like this. So there, 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 like that. And then what happens is you can power it with redstone, so I'm going to full power it with redstone there. And then you can use each of these, so like let's say why's that not working? Oh, I see. What's that? Right. Okay, so I'm gonna hook this up, and to change the direction, I'm going to need to mix again. Okay, so what I'm going to need is bronze, which is just copper in this form. But I'm just going to smelt this bronze, which I currently can't do. Oh, oh wait, I haven't got power down. Oh, I'll just smelt it to the usual. And what I'm going to do is just condense the bronze I get here. So, and then just put the bronze here. Put a little copper dust in. Worth getting a lot of copper from. It's useful. And then what I'm going to make is a wrench, which is like this. And then I can use this wrench to change the output of the back box. So now all my machines should be getting power. Oh, you shouldn't do that to this thing, should you? Well, it's getting power. So it's a good thing to keep out your hotbar until you need it. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.